Soil requirements. Making your own basic potting mix is not hard to do. In fact, it's kind of fun. The recipe for standard potting mix is simple. 3 or 4 parts of peat moss mixed with 1 part of perlite. Mix these ingredients together with some time released fertilizer and a spoonful of horticultural lime. This will give you a clean, porous, moisture retaining, nutrient filled potting soil. If you can find a core or coconut husk when added to the potting mix, it will further enhance the desirable qualities of the potting mix.